Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block or disable orders temporarily in Shopify. Using the always condition, you can easily block or disable orders temporarily, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Selecting any one rule type will be enough to block orders. For this video, we will choose the essential one, select this rule to continue. Next, we have rules and conditions. By default, it is set to always, which means it will always work at checkout. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, checkout is unavailable right now. Please contact support for help. Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!